Hey there, little Halloween explorers. Get ready for a spooky adventure as we bring a haunted background, ghosts, and bats to life with Scratch Jr. Let's have a howling good time. Hello, all amazing little artists and programmers out there. Welcome back to our Scratch Junior Halloween project. Today, we have something super spooky and fun for you. So, let's get started. So, this is our Scratch Junior app, and we have opened this new project. So, let us see for some nice background for this. So here we have different backgrounds. So this one looks quite spooky. Okay, so let us change the character. So I have drawn few ghosts over here, but we will start it again. So I'll draw it again. So I'll click on a blank canvas and then we will click on paint. So here we can pick any brush, and this is the paint, and this is the black color. Okay, so for drawing a ghost, I'll draw something like this. All right, and we'll draw two eyes. Okay, and now we will draw a smile. Okay, so here I'll take a red color maybe, and we will draw a cute one so that little fellows are not too much scared. Okay, so we'll draw a smiling ghost, not a very dangerous one. We'll draw it here, and let's color it with something or something more light. Okay, and let us draw the eyes. Let us paint the eyes. Awesome. So this is our character. Let's name it as ghost. Okay, so this is the ghost, and let us remove this one. Double click on this and then cross it off. And let us take one more character and add a bat. And let us add something more creepy and add a snake. Okay, so this is a snake. What should we add more? A wizard. This cloud. Now let us code them one by one. So this is the snake, and we will just add some code, like when the green flag is clicked, we will make it move right for suppose 2 steps, 1 step up, then down, and then let us grow it and shrink it. So we will move this for 5 times, and let's see now. So this is the motion of our snake. And we will repeat it again and again. So this is our bat, and let us move it to the left side. When the green flag is clicked, it will move left, and let us move it up. Increase the size by 2 times and then decrease it again. Then disappear it once and reappear again. And we will again keep it repeating again and again. So let us see the motion. Awesome. We will code for the wizard. Touch, when we tap on the wizard, we will see something like abracadabra. And then we will shrink in size, disappear, and again reappear. Hop maybe. Okay, so this is the code for the wizard. It will say abracadabra. The ghost, when the green flag is clicked, it will say boom, and it will try to scare us by becoming big and shrink, and then it will and then it will disappear for a while and again reappear, and we will repeat this forever. If you want to add some more motion, you can do that by adding turn left, right. Okay. So let us write the code for the storm cloud now. So when the green flag is clicked, and we will keep moving them from left, right, and right, turn left, repeat. Okay, so that's a scary storm. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Now let us try to run this on full screen mode, and I will try to run this now. So there you have it, our Scratch Junior Halloween project. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. Now it's your turn to get creative and have some spooky Halloween fun with Scratch Junior. You can create your own Halloween stories, characters in Scratch Junior. You can make them move, dance, and even talk. The only limit is your imagination. So, have a great time and don't forget to share your amazing creations with your friends and family. Happy Halloween, everyone!
That's it for today, my little coding wizards. We hope you had a frightfully fun time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical adventures. Happy Halloween and keep coding, little stars.